Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dr. Dewey Stevens. Today we are making ravioli, one of my favorite pastas to make. I've already made the dough and we got that set aside resting. We're going to focus on now making the filling that goes in the ravioli. Today's filling will be mushrooms. If you've watched some of my other episodes, you know that mushrooms are like one of my all-time favorites. So any chance I get to use a mushroom in my recipes, I do. I don't know what it is about mushrooms. I'm just like infatuated with them and love them. I love the way they taste and the textures. I sort of become like a hobbit for mushrooms. I don't know what the deal is with them, but we're making a mushroom mixture today. I'm gonna cut these up. Basically, I'm gonna halve them and then slice them into smaller slices. They will shrink a lot as we cook them, and I'm gonna add some onion too. We're gonna cook that down, sort of caramelize them, if you will, and then that will become the stuffing for our ravioli today. So stick with me, and we're gonna get started on this. In the ravioli. So I'm gonna half them, so like that, and then I'm gonna do smaller slices. Okay, welcome back. I set the mushrooms aside and we're going to start on our ravioli. We're going to be rolling out the pasta. So if you've seen my other episodes, spaghetti meatballs and the short on how to make pasta dough. What's that? You haven't seen them? It hurts my feelings that you haven't seen them. Well, lucky for you, we're going to queue up a quick little fast forward of pasta dough so you can have time to make that if you haven't seen it. So take a look. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that short little clip, and now you have your pasta dough. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and you maybe hit that subscribe button so you can see some more similar content. So this is the dough. This is the result of that recipe. It's been resting for a little while now. Take it out and wrap it here. Whenever you're dealing with pasta or really any kind of dough, you make sure you've got a well-floured surface. This dough here is a little bit wet, and one of the tricks I've learned, or requirements I shall say, when you're using a pasta machine is make sure it goes in there dry. If it's sticky at all and it goes in the machine, it will stick, it will gum up. and it's just no bueno. So make sure wherever you've got your pasta is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little pat here. Also have a little a dough scraper that I'm gonna use to sort of portion this out into smaller pieces here so we can get it in the pasta machine better. I like to quarter it. All right, everyone, we are done with our dish. We have a mushroom ravioli with some gruyere, some sauteed spinach on the side, ravioli in a cream sauce, and a lemon butter garlic cream sauce. And so made this from our homemade pasta. We showed the pasta dough recipe earlier. And also simultaneously recorded an asparagus episode, so make sure you keep an eye out for the asparagus episode, how to make the best asparagus on the planet. And I want to thank everyone for watching. If you would, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.